how to add music in iMovie. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now the very first step you have to do is you have to open iMovie in your Mac, and as you can see I have already created a timeline so that I can start explaining immediately. But if in case you don't know how to add video to this timeline so that you can start editing, I have made videos on iMovie, so you can check out that videos. In that I have explained how you can import the file over here to my media section, and from there, after importing the file from your Mac, you can just simply click and drag it to the timeline so that you can start your work. Now you can see there is already an audio file which comes with this video. If I play this, this is how it sounds. Now I don't want this audio file. For example, you have created a video without any audio file, without any music, then how can you add music? For now, I'm going to detach this audio. Now to detach this audio, you have to select the clip, right click, detach audio. So you can see now the audio file is separate. Now you can, clip or make changes in the video file separately and in the audio file separately. Now let's delete this audio file for now. I don't want it. Now it's just a plain video without any music. Now how can we add music? There are two steps. Either you can use music or audio files from your Mac. You can import that files over here in my media section and you can use it. Or else you can use the default sound which comes in iMovie. For that you have to go in audio and video section, and below that you can see there is theme music folder for now, which I have already selected. But as you can see, there are multiple folders category wise. There are effects, sound effect, iLife sound effect, texture, sci-fi, stingers, jingles, sports. There are multiple folders in which you can find the audio files. If I select sound effect for now, you can see to listen to the music, you have this play option over here. You can listen to it by playing it. So this is how the bubble effect sound like. If I go in sci-fi sweep, this is how it sounds like. So you can listen to the music there itself, and after selecting the music, you have to just select that, and you have to click and drag that particular music to the timeline like this. But our video is bit of travel video, you can see. So for that we need a theme music. So you can go over here and you can select theme music, and there are some options in theme music. We are going to use the travel music. So if I play this, this is how it sounds. So select that and then drag it, click and drag it to the timeline like this. So you can see this is the audio file, but there is one problem. Now audio file is bigger than the video file. Now to clip it or to split it, you can simply select the end part of the video, select over there, select the audio file over there, and you can either press Command plus B, or you can right click on the mouse or trackpad and select split clip. Now this is the other audio file, and this is the excess audio file which we have just splitted now. So you can select that file and you can click on delete option. Now let's adjust the audio level. There is a thin line over here. If you can see, there is a thin line, and once you point the cursor over there, you will get this two arrow like option, one at the top, one at the bottom. Select and then you can bring down the audio levels. Now if I play this video, so you can see we have added the audio file or the music file. Let me also show you how the end sounds like. That's it. Now you can see the music is starting immediately at the start, and also it is ending with that abrupt stop. The music stops immediately. So I want to automate this music. I want the music to gradually increase when we start playing this video. Also it gradually decrease when the video is about to end. So you can create that with automation effect. Now if I point the cursor over here on the audio file, you can see there are circle like icon at the start as well as at the end. A white circle with the black dot at the start over here, also white circle with the black dot at the end. With the help of that you can do automation. So once you go near that icon, select that icon. It will be denoted by the side arrow. After selecting, you have to hold it, click and hold it, and you have to gradually bring it forward. So you can see it is creating that graph like effect, and it is creating this, you know, automation. So now if you listen, let me bring it back. Let's hear the start. So you can see how it is starting the music immediately. I want it to be gradually increased. So select that circle, bring it forward, bring it like this. And if I start playing now, now you might have noticed that how it gradually increases the sound with the video. Same thing at the end, select that circle, bring it backwards like this. And now if I play the end, you might have noticed it is decreasing the volume gradually. So this is how you can create automation in your music file. So these are the simple steps, guys, which you have to follow in order to add music in iMovie. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any question, you can write down in comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.